guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to cook Bitchi, which is a dry fish chili stew. It's a Garo recipe from Northeast India and is quite a delicacy. And for all you chili lovers like me, this is another must-try recipe. The recipe is quick and simple and is prepared with ingredients easily available at home. But before we proceed, go and hit up the subscribe button for travel and food updates. The ingredients required for Bitchi are slit green chilies, dry fish which are cleaned and rinsed with water multiple times, mashed ginger, khar or cooking soda, and salt. First of all, take a deep pan. Then add your clean dry fish, slit green chilies, crushed ginger, salt as per taste, khar or cooking soda. Now turn on the stove on a low flame and give it a gentle stir. Add about 1.5 cup of water. Then half cover the lid so that the froth from the soda does not spill over, and let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Once the dry fish and chilies are completely cooked, our Bitchi is ready. Here is our Bitchi. The dish smells awesome and anyone from Garo Hills will vouch for its awesome taste. Also, don't get intimidated by the number of chilies that I have added, as you can always adjust it as per your palate. If you love this recipe, go ahead and hit the like button. And now it's time for me to dig in.